This is what I noticed. I got both of these eyes on for what? I have nothing back there. Why do I have this eye on? I'm always doing something.
Burn it up, kid.
Always doing something.
And burn it up, kid.
I already told them that I burn. I'm always doing something. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Tamika. Hello gorgeous. Alright, so in today's video it's going to be a cook with me. Today I am going to be cooking dinner for the family. Hopefully I do not burn it, but please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like, comment. You already know what to do. So in today's video I am going to be making some pork shoulder steaks. So they look like this. So this is what's on the menu. Okay, I got the pork shoulder steaks. I got 3 of these. So one full one for my husband and a half of one for myself and then the girls. So I'm gonna have half. So just in case we have extra, I got that. Then we're gonna have some Cole's original garlic bread. I love this garlic bread. My husband loves it. So we're gonna have this. Okay, we're gonna have this. Then let me take this off because it's on. Then we're gonna have some leftovers. Okay, so yesterday we had rotisserie chicken from Publix. So Sunday's meal was actually from Publix. So we had rotisserie chicken, the lemon pepper, and the mesquite or something like that. Then for our sides, we had the bean casserole. I don't eat this. As you can see, nobody really ate this, just my husband. He didn't really care for it too much. He would rather have made his own. Then we had some mashed potatoes. So these mashed potatoes, of course, was good. As you can tell, everybody was digging in it. But this is gonna be like our leftovers. So we're gonna finish up these sides. I don't know about y'all, but my family does not really like to eat leftovers. All right, so let's go ahead and get the seasoning done. My husband was supposed to season, but I guess I'm gonna have to do this by myself. So let me sit you guys down and let you watch me do this. He was supposed to do the meat because I told him I didn't want to mess it up, but he told me I couldn't mess it up, so we'll see. All right, girl. So I already washed these, as you can tell by it being wet. See? All right, so first we're gonna go in with some accent. Okay, so accent wakes up the food. If you have not tried this, you need to, because you need this in your life. I don't understand what you're doing if you're not using accent. If you're just using salt and pepper, I'm sorry, your food is bland. I'm sorry, it's just bland. You need to wake your food up with accent. All right, next we're going to go in with the Lawry's salt, seasoning salt. Just a little, because this gets a little salty. Ingredient that my husband, his go-to seasoning is the sazon. So here is the packs right here. You need this in your life. So mind you, even though I'm seasoning this up, my husband's gonna come right back in and put more seasoning, because you think I'm putting a lot, but I'm really not. So he's gonna come in and re-season all of this up. I'm telling you, that's how he is. Alright, so apparently I don't have enough room for my third one. So I probably should have just cut this up. I don't know. That's probably what he would have done, is cut it up. So let's see. Hold on. See, this is why I don't like to cook. Exactly why I don't like to cook. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my knife here. Here we go. Got this cooking here. I think I'm gonna just leave this as it is. I'm not gonna do anything else. This I might have to just cook separate. I don't know what to do with this one. On this oven and get this going over here. It's on because it's not ready yet. We don't need to because the meat is not ready. So like the main course, which is the meat, that is what we are waiting on. Okay, so then all I need to do is heat this up in the oven. This is what I noticed. I got both of these eyes on for what? I have nothing back there. Why do I have this eye on? I'm always doing something.
Burn it up, kid.
Always doing something.
And burn it up, kid.
I already told them that I burn. I'm always doing something. This right here, I'm gonna just put in the oven in a separate pan. Alright, so the food is done and London is getting ready to get something to eat. Alright, so here we got our mashed potatoes, our bean casserole, and our pork shoulder steak, and I didn't burn it, and then our bread. Alright, so go ahead and make your plate. Plate, go ahead and make that. So I'm going to have my bread, then I'm going to have me, I'll get this one, a small piece, because I don't think Tanaja gonna eat. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get my corn on the cob that I left in the microwave. Okay, my plate. This is what I'm going to eat. My husband, he's going to have the rest of that. And boom, bada boom, and there we go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end out this video. So I will check you guys out later. I wish I had some bell pepper and onion because that really would have brought out the flavor in this pork steak. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I gotta get ready to go because we're going somewhere later tonight, and you will see that video something. So I'll check you guys out later. Have a great day and goodbye, gorgeous. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Bye.